Hello everybody. Today I'd like to introduce rule-assigned workflow, how to design the rule-based workflow. Okay, I'd like to introduce small ones. Just to give us some abstract information. As there are many cases in the organizations or government itself. They have some company case, company rules, government case, government rule and laws. Sometimes it should be changed, depends on some situations. So that kinds of things happened for some process workflow. So this rule-based workflow easily covered that situation into our workflows. So give us some examples. The airplane company, they have some bonus mileage services. So that bonus mileage service rule sometimes changes. So we can easily adapt into our workflow. So there is some typical examples, like if some shopping malls, somebody buy more than $100 one time, then give us free the shipping services, or give us some 10% discount, like that. Also in the bank, so there is some gold levels or silver levels, depends on the customer value levels. They give us some chance, some discount, the chance, or some various types of the benefit. For in case the gold level customers are eligible for free shopping when order quantity more than 10, and this silver level customer case, the maximum order quantity one time is 15, like this. So for our tutorials, we assumed some rule like this. So there is some service request goes to 2 evaluation works in case of service level value is more than 10. For instance, so for design of this workflow, we need decision tables for the adopt some rules. So for instance, here is some system fault and hardware fault, 3 levels. So high or important, middle or normal, and low as small things. The kinds of things we make levels, and we assigned some rule values. So for instance, the system case 5 to 15, hardware case 7 to 21. Then in this case, the workflow covered 2 evaluation works if they think it's important levels. So then they decide more than 10 scores, 10 values. Should be this kind of things depends on the service level can be changed. So any case, we can easily adapt to our workflow. Okay, so here is the design steps. So I'll show you one by one. Okay, for this tutorial, we used travel tickets. So again, so we improve this one. Okay, before we design the main process, we have to design first the sub process first. So let's go once again. here is some rule assign. We delete this one. Okay, then refresh is deleted. So we design for rule assign workflows. So we design new process. Okay, 1 second, commit here, okay. Okay, let's call the process design. Okay, we are coming here, reduce some size. Okay. When you designed some rule for the rules in the workflow, we design first the values. We need some values for adopt some rules. So there is a trouble class. Hardware or the systems is types text is same. We have to use the same variable name in the main workflow. Update it. And this sub process needs new labels. Is like a label, value label. Type is text. And then this sub process as give us some the result values as a result of the value assigned, the rule assigned. So result. Okay, result value. Result value should be number. Okay, update it. So we assigned all necessary variables in these design steps. Okay, then we get the label, result value, trouble class. Then we design this one at first. We use the we make 6 different cases. So we use the switches, and then we assign the values here. We bring it to come here. Okay. We need 6 cases, 3 hardware and system, each one 3 cases. So okay. Then we assign the condition names. So this one is system level A. This one is system level B. System level C. And this one for hardware level A. This one is hardware level B. And hardware level C. Okay, then we assign the some cases, switch cases. The switch, we assign the switch conditions. Okay, let me show you how to do this. Okay, the case 1 is system A. The condition double clicks the trouble class direct value text is we have to use the same variables sys. Okay, and we need one more condition and the condition systems and its label. So label here, so label direct value, so label text label A. Okay. Next one, system level B, trouble class, text is sys, and label is B. B, and next one system class label C, trouble class, directory text name is systems. Okay, then its label is, and the condition label is directory value, text is C. Okay, next one, hardware A. The trouble class is text is hardware. We have to use the same variables. Okay, the label is directory value, text is A. Okay, next one, hardware is B. Trouble class is hardware, text hardware. So label, direct value, text is label B. Okay, the final cases, hardware C, trouble class is hardware, is hardware, okay, and label C, label equal direct value is C. Okay. So it seems okay, everything is applied. So we apply it. Then you see there's no error marks. Error marks disappears. You finish your cases. The final things we assign the rule values. In case of the system A case, double click here, we have to assign the values. The value in the result value here. So the result value is 15 applied. And second one, first one, assign is a native value. We have to assign the native value, not Java style, native style. So applied. And second one, assign the native style, the value is result values. So B case, the 10. Okay, next system C case, native value, the result value should be 5. Okay, assign, depends on the decision table. Then hardware A, native values, so result values assigned by 21, applied. Hardware B labels, native value, the result value is 14. Okay, finally hardware level C, the result value starting from 7 is applied. Everything is applied well. Then finish. Then we deploy this rule assigned subroutine. The name is, we call it rule assign. Okay, alias subprocess the rule assign like this. Okay, successfully done. Then let's get back to the main process design phase. Okay, we refreshed these directories, we can see that the rule assigns a sub-process here. So we get into the trouble ticket main process. Okay, we improve this one. Okay. That's okay. What's happened? Oh, power off. Okay. Okay, I hope everything is okay. What's happened? Oh. Finally we turn on the power. Okay. Let's continue. Okay, get back to this main process design. Okay, here we come to the main process. Okay. So the variables approval, idea, result. So we need more variables here. We need some result values and label values here. Okay. So we assign the label of problems. Label is text, fly, and once again the rule result values. After assign the rule, we get the rule result values. So this one is number. Okay, updated. You must recognize what is the text and what is the number. So we assigned some numerical value. We must select the number. Okay. Then it's okay. So we label and the result value we assigned. We have to use the same variable names. Okay. And then we modify, upgrade the first activities. Click here. This one is a human work. It was only trouble class and the descriptions. We need one more thing for the label, variables label. Okay, upgrade it. That's all. Then first activities by the role by the initiator. He selected a trouble class and the descriptions and the labels. Okay, apply it. Okay, and then we are ready to use the sub process, the rule-based sub process. We bring this one is front here. Okay, we delete one and sub process here. The name is rule assigned. Rule assigned. Okay, the name is rule assigned. Then we have to select the sub process. Define IDs. Here is we come into rule assign. Checking here. So the rule assign version 1 production selected. Then you can see all the necessary variables. So done by the initiator. This role binding to the initiator and also variable binding we need between the sub process and main process. The trouble class case is same as the trouble class values. It's input data of this subroutine updated and labels we binding with the label. This label command input data, okay, and the result values. Okay, we make a binding the result value. Okay, here it is output data updated. Okay, everything is finished. So we don't forget to apply it. We apply it. Okay, and then apply. You can see what is the binding between the sub workflow and the main workflow. So sub process and main process is label and the result value and trouble class. They can communicate each other. You can see. So we are well done. Okay, then we design more things. In case of the value more than 10, we have to go through 2 evaluation work because it is important. Otherwise, we just go through 1 evaluations. So we need some switches here. Come in here. Okay. We don't need this one. Coming here and bring this one here. And then blank activities, bring to here. Okay. And we given set the switch conditions. The first one is the value is more than the result value more than 10 point. And second one, others come into this space, just skip. Then we assign the switching conditions. So cases like a value more than 10, the condition like this. The result values, where is the result value? The result values, okay, is bigger than bigger than 10. 10 point. Assign. Okay, apply it. And second one, others. Just we select otherwise. Okay, we apply it. Then everything is finished. Looks finished. So we'll deploy it. Okay, deploy, confirm it. Successfully done. Okay, it's good, seems good. Then let's test. Refresh this one. We select the travel ticket. You see everything is looks great. So when we get the request after service, so we will assign here, and the system or hardware error case comes here, and the other one goes there, and then result values is more than 100. Then the second evaluation activities should be followed, otherwise coming to the end activities, database of mappings updated. So let's test, initiate. Okay, system errors. So for instance, low. So this one is level values. So we use the radio values. So we have to upgrade some value here's variable here's levels. Advance. We select the radio buttons. Okay, then we get here. So it depends on the values, level of values, A, B, C, updated, and visual selection variables is high, middle, and low, simple. Okay, we got the values ABC, and here is a selection variables, and apply it. Okay, then we deploy once again. Okay, deploy, confirm it. Successfully finished. So let's get back once again. Refresh it. Okay, travel tickets. Okay, see, everything is okay. So initiate, system errors. Case is low. So we select the level is low. So submit it. Okay. This come into the information. This come into, we can say this goes to system errors, comes to this flow. So we checking the value, assigned value is okay or not. So then we select this instance list, click here. So it's a learning instance here. So we click here. This also same flow information here. And then we can check the process variables. Click here. They give us the whole information of variables. This one is the system errors, the level C, the result value 5, the information, trouble information is low. Okay, so it is very useful one, we can check in. Let's get back to this one again. So work areas. So I'm the manager, the name is tester. Tester also the initiator. So I can simply checking all workflows. So I assign the repairman. So coming to test group. So I assigned myself tester. Okay. Then complete. Okay. Then it's come to the repairman. So I repair. Okay. I repaired. So we can check the flows here also. It's coming to first evaluate. So this, after this evaluate, the value is only 5. So it goes to this way. So we have to checking this one. Okay, checking yes, complete. Okay, this is not bigger than 10 values, so it comes select others. So go to the here, and the final is completed by the database mapping. So we said complete, everything is finished. Okay, then it's very good. Good workings. Then checking once again the other one cases, the initiate. Okay, in case of the hardware errors, it's a middle. It's a middle case. Complete. Same things. Okay, coming to here, assign the repairman by myself. People treat the activities with checking the instance list here. So process managers and the instance list here. Click. So here's the instance. So checking here. Then this instance coming to here because it's a hardware middle level errors. Then we checking the what kinds of variable values here. Click here. This one is hardware errors. So level B. So assign the value is 14th. Okay, the information is like this. So everything works well. Okay, we assign the test groups. So by myself, repairman, testers. So okay, I assigned. Okay, repair effort. Here's complete. Okay. Then it goes to these levels. After I accept, should be coming to here because the result value 14. So we're checking it. Yes. Complete. Okay. Okay, this goes to this flow. It's this logic and rule-based workflow is looks going well. Okay, final evaluation, second times evaluation works, finished, everything is finished, completed. Okay, thank you everybody. I'm sorry, during this tutorial I have some power off on the display, so anyhow you can get the whole bunch of idea of how to use the rule-based, how to design rule-based workflow. Okay, you have to try yourself. Practice make a perfect. Thank you very much. See you next time.